Jabir! Jabir! Sasakyan ng Ferrari! Patrol. Bahay namin, oh. Sa amin din yung isa na yun. Sa anak na lalaki. Ang init. No matter what you say, no matter what you... Yalla, Jabir! That you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. Ang init. Yaw, si Jabir. This for Walid, Jabir? Car for Walid?
No.
Where's the car for Walid? If you want
You see my new one.
Huh? This is your new phone? Inshallah, new phone.
Not new, second hand.
Second hand? iPhone what?
iPhone.
iPhone SE. Mashallah. Mabruk, you have iPhone. Me, I will buy iPhone. iPhone 14.
This one cheap.
How much? 60 KD?
Huh?
60?
45.
45? Cheap. Good.
My friend.
I will buy also iPhone 14.
My friend take
14 and a half.
give me.
Maybe we will go through Baden.
Where?
Baden. Through Baden.
Through value.
Not now, Baden. We go Jamia first.
What value?
Through Baden. Near Avenues, you don't know? We go last time. Through Baden. She wanna ride the road and not try to even up in the dust and stay higher. You're the simple one, and you never meet someone. Up in the dust.
You want?
Oh,
I need this glass.
glass?
How much here?
Ah, no, here expensive. Go Lulu. When we go through Balia today, you go Lulu, Adi.
One pouch, one this one.
Because I will go Orido also.
Ah, you.
I will cancel my contract for internet. I will buy Zane. I will ask how much I will pay.
How much? 1 KD, not more price. This
Yeah, 1 KD here and 2 KD here in Jamia.
here no. You now go.
Jamia more
Yeah.
money, expensive.
You take, you go your friend.
No, I will go Orido. You go up. He know you. He will not take you 2 KD from you, only 1 KD. He know you are my friend. If I go there, it's free.
Not this
Haram.
one smooth, like six.
Yeah.
And his Baba's in this one.
Buti pa siya naka-iPhone. moment. Yes. Laki ng lagyanan ko na naman pera. You are come away back home. Mag-gloves muna ako. Paano ba mamalingki ng konti lang ang pera? Ang dami kong kailangan.